When it comes to tofu pudding, one of Hong Kong's beloved classic desserts, Kong Wo, just down the street from Waterman, is king. This authentic restaurant is famous for their deep-fried tofu dishes, tofu puffs, and homemade sugar-free soy milk.
My name is Renee So. Now we are in Kung Wo Beancurd Factory in Sham Shui Po in Kowloon. So our factory has a very long history, almost 60 years in Sham Shui Po. We specialize in making tofu, but we have a few varieties of tofu based on a fundamental recipe. So we start making the tofu at 1 a.m. in the early morning. So it's a very tough job, you can imagine. So our kitchen operates 18 hours a day, and it's a very long process. So one piece of tofu looks very simple, but actually it goes through a 13 hours process.
At this restaurant, they start at 1 in the morning, and for them to make enough tofu for the whole day, they only finish at 11 in the morning. And it's just these two guys, and they really know what they're doing. They're very skilled in the art of making tofu, and it's literally, they make tofu from scratch. So every time you come here, you're getting fresh made tofu, and it's absolutely delicious.
I was working in finance before, after I graduate, but because my family members are getting older, and I think it's so important to have new blood in our factory so that we can continue the business, to keep an old business to running in the future. I think it's a very challenging task, so you need new people to join the industry. So at my age, around 28, 29, I decided to quit my career in finance. So I came back to help my family, and I also came back to Sham Shui Po because this is the town I grew up, and I know lots of people in the town, and we are very good friends. We know each other next door. So I think it's a good decision. So when I think back, because this is where I grew up and where my family set up their business, and it's always great to work with people that you have known for many years.
So Renee has this restaurant, and on the other side of the alley is another place to eat. That's more of like the fast food, takeaway, eat and go. Yeah, she's got an amazing establishment. It seems like she has a really good relationship with all her staff. It feels like a family. Yeah, you can just, the proof's in what you're eating. The food's so good. So there's obviously a lot of love that goes into making the food here.
Most of our staff in our shop have been working here for more than 10 years. So I think our relationship is more like a family rather than just employer-employee. So we know everyone's family member, their wife, their husband. So even during holiday, we meet up and we go travel together. So we sell more than, I think, 5,000 pieces of tofu every day. So you can imagine it's a very busy work. Yeah, and our staff are working very hard. Yeah, otherwise we can't make so much every day.